The following episode is normally supposed to have been your actual Analyrical episode, but because of my stupidity in not using proper lighting, and that this episode generally sucks, you now have this unofficial blooper episode. So please enjoy your non-standard episode of Analyrical. And do remember, spay and neuter your pets. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm really doing a rap song, and one of the only rap song I could, like, I'm doing Soldier Boy Booty Meat. And it's the dirty version. Oh. Yeah, this one right here is for all them girls with that booty meat. Booty meat, booty meat, booty meat, booty meat. It says booty meat like 27 times. How is that a song? Repeating, girl shake that booty meat, that booty meat. Well, that's not a song. I don't know what that is. Why do I have to do this? I gotta finish this song. And I just started. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Anyway, girls shaking that booty meat. Now we get to the actual song, which doesn't actually appear to be that long. Girls shake that booty meat all up on me. Soldier boy in this thing, come and hang with me. I'm your ace boon coon, drink champagne with me. Take a bubble bath, come on switch lanes with me. First off, rhyming with me, and then with me is not rhyming. That's repeating. This isn't a rap song. This is repetitive stupidity. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't. I'm the number one stunner. Me, see what you got. I'm the ball around town. See how you pop. I'm your girl best friend. Show you how. Let me see how you hop. Put that thing in the air, then make it drop. Thank you for actually being a bit of a rapper. It was a whack rap. No. I'm sorry. I have to do this. I have to go full out G to the H to the E T T O on you right now. Son, that was a whack ass rap. Shut the hell up. Do a better song. Smack. Girls shaking booty meat. That's the chorus. That's not a stupid corporate. God dang. Girl BOOYBMEAT, you know it. That's spelled booty meat. Because anyone who clearly listens to your lyrics is too dumb to know how to spell that word. Heaven help me, people smart. I can't read this stupid song. I got a car full of girls, me making a creep. Soldier boy up in this thing, and shouty to sleep. He's using chloroform to get women because his rapping sucks. That's what I'm understanding. I'm ready for whatever, if you know what I mean. Come here, little shawty, you that booty meat queen. That wins the award for the most stupidly funny line in a song ever. The booty meat queen. This is a joke. This is a freaking joke. There's no way anyone actually wants to be called a booty meat queen. Queen bee. Queen bee definitely. But booty meat queen. That's hilarious. He's a comedian. He's a parody of rappers, isn't he? I hope so. Booty meat in my face when I be walking. Why are you that hunched over? Why do you walk like bent that far down? That someone's butt is in your face. And what if they haven't bathed today? Do you really want to smell that? All the girls love me, straight up be stalking. They're stalking you. No, I think you stalk them. I'm sticking with my chloroform statement. Soldier Boy, you chloroform chicks, and while they're unconscious, call them a booty meat queen. It's really hard to say that with a straight face. Whack ass chorus. Girl, I guess it's my turn. Damn it. Why can't I read the stupid song? Is it stupid? Girl, well, I guess it's my turn. I'm about to steal the show. Soldier Boy stays on deck, as you already know. Man, I'm about to hit the spot. I'm ready to go. Whole bunch of fine girls, day from head to toe. I'm your ace boom coon, like I said before. It has to be said before, because the rest of the rhymes won't mix, because it's before, but whatever. Let me see you turn around so like a pro. A pro at what? Who turns around professionally? Models? Call her a model. Don't do that. That's the closest thing to a good rap line I've heard or read out loud in this song. And it's stupid. You suck, Soldier Boy. You have 2 more lines before your stupid chorus. Shut up. Let's finish this. Shake it for me, shawty, till you can't no mo. Because you've chloroformed her, clearly. You're a man's best friend, I'm just letting you know. Because dogs, real companionship in women, and, well, homeboys, as Soldier Boy probably doesn't have, they're not man's best friend. A big butt black chick is. Of course, there are white chicks that have big booties. There are even Hispanic chicks with big booties. But probably he wants black ones. 'Cause I don't know. Why are you listening to me? He talks about booty meat. I just look at lyrics and make fun of them. I'm not doing Soldier Boy again. And if I do Soldier Boy again, I'm going to be drunk. I should have been drunk now. This has been Analyrical, and I wish you all a good night. And if you happen to have booty meat, watch out, 'cause Soldier Boy is stalking you.